Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss our experience with campus facilities.
That's right. We will be sharing our thoughts, especially on the lift, the canteen, and also the parking basement.
Exactly. These are the places we use every single day, so I'm sure a lot of students can relate.
Now, let's dive right in and talk about what works well and what still needs improvement.
First, let's talk about the lift. Honestly, it's always so crowded.
Yes, sometimes students have to wait a long time to use it.
True, the number of elevator is not balanced with the number of students.
But isn't there another elevator available?
Correct. There is a lecturer's elevator, but it's only for lecturers and staff, and it's located on the first floor. Unfortunately, students are not allowed to use it.
The campus should add more lifts or expand the existing one. That will make the campus life more efficient.
I agree. Now let's move on to the canteen.
Sure. Do you mean the old canteen or the new one?
I think it's the old one, since we often visit it. The new one is always so crowded during lunch break, and it's so hard to find a seat.
Yes, that is true. Many students even look for another place to eat when the canteen is too crowded.
And the food is the best part. It's cheap and tasty, and that's why so many students like it.
Exactly. That old canteen is better overall because it's less crowded and still affordable.
Speaking of crowded, how about the parking basement?
I rarely go there since I come by public transportation, but I often hear it's full.
That's true. The parking lot is under the main building, but it's too small for the number of vehicles.
Last week, I was late to class because I circled around for 20 minutes just looking for a spot.
The campus should improve the parking management or expand the basement.
Yes, overall the facilities are good, but the problem is crowd situation.
I agree. The lift, the canteen, and the basement are all crowded, and that makes them difficult to use sometimes.
Sometimes we are really at the crossroad, not knowing whether to wait or just go somewhere else.
Alright, that's all from us. Thank you for listening to our discussion about campus facilities.
Bentar.
Oke,
Wait.
Bentar dah.
kita pakai ini aja.
Ini
Nah, ini aja.
Nah,
Nah, ini aja kali ya. Ini
mau
aja.
bantuin ya.
Ada yang dari upload.
Okay, let's dive right and talk
Nyadar gak ini
about
apa?
what works well and
Belum,
what
belum.
still needs
Lu,
improvement.
lu nyadar gak
Wait,
ini apa?
latihan, latihan,
Lu
latihan.
nyadar gak ini apa?
Ini ya Allah UI game kita, Cok. Game kita, game kita anjir.
tahu nih artisnya gimana sih?
Tahu nih artisnya
Eh,
nih. Kan.
artisnya.
Kata gue mah mending skrip dulu langsung.
Yuk,
Kita langsung aja.
gas, gas, gas.
Yo. Eh, 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 San. Diem kata gue mah. Diem, diem, diem,
Suara
diem,
lu jelek. Please,
diem,
please
diem,
diam.
diem kata
Udah
gue
di
San.
kata gue sih udah di record.
Ini udah di
Lu
record
tahu gak
San.
ini siapa? Lu tahu gak
Udah,
ini siapa?
udah.
Dah,
Udah kan semuanya udah on game juga.
dah. Dah.
Pin yang
Udah,
bener pin,
udah.
buset pin. Pin,
Yuk, kenapa?
pin.
Lu tahu ini siapa?
Ini kameranya ngedet-ngedet, Cuk.
Aman kok di gue.
Suara gue kedengeran kan?
Siapa itu, Cok?
Ya udah. Ya
Ayo
udah,
udah,
suara
GC,
gue
GC, GC,
kedengeran.
yuk.
Ya,
3,
ya, ya. Suara
2,
gue kedengeran kan?
Kedengan.
ya ayo,
Oke, kedengeran.
GC,
Ayo.
yuk. 3,
Ya.
2, 1. Thank you for listening to our discussion about campus facilities.
Bye-bye.
Idih.